Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about regarding differences between SMSI and MMSI. Here SMSI indicates single mode step index fiber and MMSI indicates multi-mode step index fiber. Okay, SMSI indicates single mode step index fiber and MMSI indicates multi-mode step index fiber. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about regarding differences between single mode step index fiber and multi-mode step index fiber. Okay, now coming to these SMSI and MMSI, right? So first one, SMSI fibers, single mode step index fiber. So in this single mode step index fiber, the first one is low intermodal dispersion. So in case of single mode step index fiber, we are having low intermodal dispersion. So already we told you na. So what is the intermodal dispersion? So here the single mode step index fibers are having low intermodal dispersion. Now coming to this MMSI fibers, it is having considerable dispersion, right? MMSI fibers are having considerable dispersion due to different group velocities. Okay, so in multi-mode step index fiber we are going to apply some multi-mode light rays, right? So there, due to the different group velocities of the light rays, right? So those are affected, so those will be affected by the considerable dispersion, that is considerable intermodal dispersion, right? So already we told you the multi-mode step index fibers are having disadvantage of intermodal dispersion, right? So but in SMSI it is very low. Okay, SMSI fibers are having low intermodal dispersion, right? And second one, the SMSI fibers having maximum bandwidth that can be attained. So in SMSI the fibers that can attain maximum bandwidth, whereas multi-mode step index fibers bandwidth is limited. Okay, and next one, third one, in SMSI fibers it is small core diameter because it is having only one fiber. So in that fiber it is having small core diameter. Okay, but whereas in multi-mode large core diameter we have to use. Okay, in SMSI we have to use small core diameter, in MMSI we have to use large core diameter. Okay, next, in SMSI fibers we use coherent optical sources. Okay, in SMSI fibers we use coherent optical sources, that is like laser. Okay, laser is one of the coherent optical sources that we will discuss in next units. Okay, here MMSI is using incoherent optical sources like LED. Okay, LED acts like a incoherent optical sources, whereas laser act as a coherent optical sources. Fine. Next, fifth one, in SMSI fibers coupling efficiency is low. Okay, in SMSI fibers the coupling efficiency is low, whereas in multi-mode step index fibers the coupling efficiency is high for optical sources. Okay, the coupling efficiency should be high for optical sources. This one is high, right? Here it is high. Fine. And next one, the SMSI fibers are having superior transmission quality. So it is having transmission quality is good in SMSI fibers, whereas in multi-mode step index fiber the transmission quality is degraded due to dispersion and attenuation. So just now we discussed now, multi-mode step index fibers are affected with the intermodal dispersion, right? Multi-mode step index fibers are affected with intermodal dispersion and also attenuation. Here attenuation is nothing but loss. Okay, attenuation is nothing but loss. So next, seventh one, the SMSI fibers are possible for upgradation. Okay, if any damages are there, if any mistakes are there, right, we can upgrade, right? We can upgrade the SMSI fibers, and that is also easy for SMSI fibers. But whereas MMSI fibers that is multi-mode step index fiber, that is very difficult to upgrade those MMSI fibers. Okay, so that is regarding SMSI and MMSI fibers. So first one, once again I am repeating, first one, SMSI fibers are having low intermodal dispersion, whereas MMSI fibers are having considerable dispersion due to different group velocities. Okay, and in SMSI maximum bandwidth that can be attained. Okay, we can get the maximum bandwidth, but whereas MMSI bandwidth is limited. Okay, next, in SMSI small core diameter, it is having small core diameter, but whereas MMSI it is having large core diameter. Okay, next, these SMSI fibers are having laser, so that uses coherent optical sources, that is the laser. Okay, always the SMSI single mode step index fibers are having as laser, right, as coherent optical source, but whereas in MMSI we use LED, that is incoherent optical source, right, and here the coupling efficiency is low with optical sources. Here coupling efficiency is high for MMSI fibers. Next, in single mode step index fiber, the transmission quality is high, that is good. Okay, transmission quality is good. Okay, that is the superior transmission quality. In multi-mode step index fiber, the transmission quality is degraded due to dispersion and attenuation. So dispersion is here intermodal dispersion. Always the multi-mode step index fibers affected with the intermodal dispersion. Okay, and it is having loss, that is the attenuation. It is also having attenuation, so that the transmission quality is degraded in multi-mode step index fiber. Next, seventh one, the possible for upgradation for single mode step index fibers. Okay, it is very easy to upgrade the single mode step index fiber, but whereas in multi-mode step index fiber it is very difficult to upgrade. Okay, so these are the differences between single mode step index fiber. Okay, so today we discussed regarding the differences between single mode step index fiber and multi-mode step index fiber, right. So it is having intermodal dispersion in multi-mode step index fiber, but whereas in say single mode step index fiber there is low intermodal dispersion, right. So for that we use graded index fiber. Okay, graded single mode step index fiber, that thing you make a note of it. Okay, to reduce the intermodal dispersion we use single mode graded index fiber. Okay, single mode graded index fiber. Okay, because to reduce this intermodal dispersion we use single mode graded index fiber. Okay, so that is the differences between this single mode step index fiber and then multi mode step index fiber. Okay, thank you all.